That's what is happening here. It's something strange. Really strange. It's a food and it's burning. Praise God, no one was inside there. I wonder how far the fire guys are, because this is just awful. Well, in any way, I'm going to that monument there. And I just came from downtown. And that's what I found here. Wow. Again, I just want to tell you that the good thing is that no one was in the car. So no one got injured. And they're gonna be more off the bus because of the tire. So the real tire looks like they're not touched yet. So more burning are gonna go. It's too late. It's coming to turn it off, but the car is already burned. In any way, they can help a little. Let's see. This is here is the poor Ford that got burned. Look at the radio there, I think. Wow. The firefighter came to put down the fire, but it was a little bit late. Wow. It's just crazy. And the mark of a Ford fell down. And it was looking like a brand new SUV. Well,